Make a great choice today with the 2021 EcoSport. The Ford EcoSport has an upgraded interior that provides you all the features you could ever want. It also offers the functionality of an SUV, but in a size where you feel in control. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, compass, heated steering wheel. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.